So hey guys, do you want your Windows terminal to look like this? Here it shows my working directory. It also shows the GitLab or the GitHub repository my working directory is connected to. Uh, and it looks so beautiful and colorful. So I have done this using Oh-My-Posh Theme Engine and CaskaydiaCove Nerd Monospace font. So in this video I will tell you how to do this. So let's get started. Now you can see that I have already installed Oh-My-Posh Theme Engine and CaskaydiaCove Node Monospace font in my host operating system. So to tell you how to install this, I have installed the Windows 10 virtual machine, and I will tell you how to install the Oh-My-Posh Theme Engine and CaskaydiaCove font in this virtual machine. So let us get started. Now first of all, how to get the Windows terminal. How to get the Windows terminal? We will go to Store and we'll search here Terminal. We will go to the first one, not the preview one, the first one, that is Windows Terminal. So let us click on the Windows Terminal. Let us wait till it loads. So this page is as loaded. Now you can see that it is showing this product is already installed. Since I have already installed Windows Terminal in my virtual machine, so it is showing like this. But in your case, if you have not installed Windows Terminal, it will show an install button in case of the launch button. Now since I have already installed, it is showing the launch button. Now to install the CaskaydiaCove Nerd Monospace font and OhMyPosh theme engine, we require Windows PowerShell 7. Not the inbuilt PowerShell, but PowerShell 7. So to install the PowerShell 7, in the same store, we'll search for PowerShell and the first one, that is the PowerShell app, not the PowerShell preview, the PowerShell. We'll click on this. It will take some time to load. Now we will have to install this PowerShell. Now you can see that it is saying this product is installed. So I've already installed the PowerShell also for testing. So in your case, if you have not installed the PowerShell 7, it will show a launch. It will show an install button over here. In case of uh, instead of the launch button, it will show the install button here. So let us close this as I've already installed both the apps. Now to install OhMyPosh, first I have to run the command. So I will open my browser. You can use any browser. I will search here OhMyPosh. Now the first link is ohmyposh.app. I will go on this link. This is the actual link of the OhMyPosh repository. That is ohmyposh.dev. Now I will click on docs. Now here is the complete documentation of the OhMyPosh theme engine. Now I will go on installation and I will click on Windows since I am installing it on PowerShell. You can also install it on Mac or Linux in the form of OhMyZSH. Now to install it on PowerShell, I will click on PowerShell and I will copy this command and I will paste it here by using right click and I press enter and I will wait for some time. It takes a little time to download, so I will wait. So it is asking me whether I want to install it because it is installing from an untrusted repository. So I will click on yes as it does not pose any such problem. Actually, I will click on A, which says yes to all. So I will click on A and press enter. I will press A and press enter. Sorry, my bad. So you can see that OhMyPosh has been installed. Now I have to install another module, that is posh-git. So I will edit the above one. Don't worry, I will give both the commands in the description. I will install the posh-git module also. I will wait for some time. It is again asking the same. I will press A and press enter and I will wait. Now it has installed both the packages. Now I will do one thing. I will restart the PowerShell. So I will open a new PowerShell window. I will close the earlier one. I will type oh my posh. Now you can see that it is not looking that beautiful as it looked in my PowerShell. This is because this OhMyPosh supports only monospace fonts. So to do this, Uh, I will go to settings. I will go to open the JSON file. It takes some time. I'm opening this file using the VS Code editor. You can also edit this using Notepad. I'm using VS Code because it looks beautiful, and also it is easier to use. So here I will find the PowerShell core. Now this is the PowerShell core, that is the PowerShell 7. I will delete this. I had included it earlier, but it is not required, so I will delete it, and I will open my text document in which I have saved one command. So we have to enter this command to change the font. I will copy the command. I will also give this command in the description. I will paste this command over here. Let me properly align it. Just a minute, I will align it properly. Now you can see that it is properly aligned, so I will click on save. Now I will close this. Okay, so it is saying unable to find the font. So let us check why is it showing that thing. The fonts. First, I will tell you how to install the CaskaydiaCove node font. So for that, I will open my browser. I will type here node fonts. Press enter. For the first link will take me to the node fonts website. So here I will go to the downloads page, and here I have to download the CaskaydiaCove node font. You can also download other fonts, but I prefer CaskaydiaCove node font. So I'll click on download, and you can see that the font zip file has started downloading. I will open the file. We have these four fonts. I will double click on each of these, and I will have to click on install. But since I have already installed the font, so I will skip this step. You can see that I have already installed the CaskaydiaCove node font mono and CaskaydiaCove node font. So I will skip this step, but you have to click on install to install these fonts. I will close this now. I will maximize this. Let me check once whether I have entered the name correctly or not. Okay, I entered the wrong spelling by mistake. I will save it. I will close it. Close this. Now you can see that the OhMyPosh is looking much better. So now I will add the import module command and the profile initialization command, that is the local OhMyPosh initializer command in my profile. I will copy this, say Control C. Here I will type my dollar profile, and this text file opens. I will paste this command over here. I will save it. I will then write and I will also copy this command. I will copy this command and I will put it in, not this one, this text file, that is the PowerShell profile, and I will save it. I will close this. I will close this and I will use this command to reload the profile. I will reload the profile once. So you can see that OhMyPosh has successfully been installed and now it is looking much better and beautiful. Uh, I can also change the theme. I can also use different themes. So for this, I will have to go to this PC, Windows C, users, Harsh, OhMyPosh and themes. So these are all the themes. I can use any of the themes over here. So I am using the theme. Uh, so currently I am using the default Gene Doppler theme. We can also change these themes. So to change the theme, I don't have to do anything. Just open the dollar profile, and here we just have to change this thing. That is the JND of the om.desktop. So I will show you a sample of changing the profile, changing the theme. So I will click on the file explorer. I will go to this PC, go to Windows C. I will open users. I will open my current user and I will open the .ohmyposh. I will open the themes. Then here there are different themes. So for example, uh, let us consider I want to install the empty theme. So I will right click over here, click on rename, and I will copy the entire file name. I will minimize this for the moment, and I will change this and I will save it. I will close the profile, and I will reload the profile. So you can see that the theme is changed and the appearance is looking even more beautiful now. I will clear the screen once. When I first open the new PowerShell window, you can see the difference. So this is looking beautiful. Now I will install the Git bash to show how the Git repository looks. Git bash. I will download the Git bash, download for Windows. I will download for Windows. And then click to download. Click on this click to download. And you can see that the Git bash has started downloading. I will wait till it finishes downloading. I will wait till it gets installed. I mean, till it gets downloaded, not installed. Now if we can open file, I'll close the browser for now. Close the settings. It is not required anymore. I will wait for some time. So here you can see that the installation of Git bash has started. I will just click next, 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 next. I'll just go on clicking next, 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 and then it will start installing. So I will wait till it gets installed. By the time it gets installed, I will open the sample GitHub repository. Or you can say also use the GitLab repository. So I will use the GitLab repository. Just to show you a sample, I will clone one of the repositories to my PC. Let me clone this repository in my PC. Copy. I'm in the clone. Go to the terminal. I will write here cd desktop. Now in the desktop, I will paste this here. I will write the git command. Git clone this and I press enter. I will restart the terminal once. Let me check once why I am facing this error. It should not happen. Okay, so it says I have to add this on the environment variable, so I will add this. Let me check once after editing the environment variables. I will do the same over here in the system environment variables. Later I will click on new and I will click on paste. Okay, I will paste it. So add both these files. Edit and new. I will paste both these files. New terminal. Let me check once. I will try with the git class. It will take some time to clone. I will wait for that till it will finish cloning. At least actually I'm cloning for the first time in this virtual machine, so it asks for my credentials. So it has cloned here. Now so it has cloned the repository. I will close the git bash. Now I will write cd and the folder I cloned. I will desktop. Now here you can see that it is showing the git branch version. That is I am on the main branch. Now you can see that the git command is perfectly working. Actually I had to restart the terminal once. I will clear the screen. So I can directly use Git from the terminal. So see how beautiful it looks, how it was looking earlier and how it looks now. So this was my tutorial of how to install OhMyPosh theme engine and CaskaydiaCove nerd font monospace font to in Windows 10 so as to make your terminal look beautiful. So that's it from my side. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.